Have you ever thought about making up to $150 online by simply watching YouTube videos? Well, now you can. In this video, I'll show you an easy method that lets you earn cash while you relax and enjoy your favorite content on YouTube. It's a straightforward way to make some extra income without much effort. Plus, stick around till the end for an exclusive secret tip that will multiply your earnings. And don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below, so let's get started. Step 1. Take a trip over to youtube.com, where you'll find a treasure trove of videos waiting for you. Here's the exciting part. You can actually earn free PayPal money just by watching these videos. Click on any video that piques your interest and make sure to watch at least 30 seconds of it. That's all it takes to pocket $5 for each video you watch. And guess what? These earnings are backed by real payment proofs from people all around the globe. Let's dive into the earning potential. Watching just one YouTube video can earn you $5, 10 videos can fetch you $50, and watching 30 videos a day could potentially earn you up to $150. The best part? You can keep repeating this process as much as you'd like. All you need is a mobile phone or computer. Step 2. To begin, locate the Sign In button positioned at the top right corner of the page. Upon clicking it, you'll be directed to the login page. If you're new to YouTube and don't have an account yet, don't worry. Just click on the Create Account option and choose For Myself. This will prompt you to set up a free Google account right there on the spot, seamlessly integrating you into the YouTube platform. Step 3. Once you've completed the account creation process and successfully logged in, take a look at the left side of the page where you'll find a section highlighting the best videos on YouTube. It's curated to showcase the top videos across different categories like music, sports, gaming, movies, news, and more. Click on the gaming category and you'll be amazed by the sheer number of people watching gaming videos on YouTube. Surprisingly, many of these viewers aren't aware that they could be earning free PayPal money. But today, I'm excited to share with you a secret strategy that hardly anyone talks about. This strategy allows you to make PayPal money quickly and easily. It's incredible how people are consistently making $5 for each video they watch using this method. And the best part? It's completely free and totally legitimate. YouTube is available in every country, so anyone can earn free PayPal money from anywhere in the world. I suggest focusing on the Minecraft category. Minecraft is super popular right now, and there are tons of videos about it on YouTube. Clicking on Minecraft will take you to a page full of gameplay videos. Keep an eye out for live streams. They're a great opportunity to use this strategy. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment below with the country you live in. Step 4. Moving on to the next step, simply choose any of these live videos. When you click on a live video, you'll be directed to a new page where the live stream is happening. You'll notice a significant number of viewers tuning into these live streams, indicating a high demand for this content. This presents a golden opportunity for you to earn free PayPal money by watching these videos. Make sure you watch till the end, as I will reveal an exclusive secret tip that will skyrocket your earnings. This tip can potentially help you earn 10 times more money than others. I'll also demonstrate how you can leverage this type of YouTube video to make a substantial amount of free PayPal money. The best part? You can repeat this process for numerous YouTube videos in this category. To transform these YouTube videos into actual earnings, we'll need to utilize a second website. On this website, individuals are consistently earning $5 by watching videos repeatedly. This platform also allows you to shorten URL links and earn free PayPal money with ease. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process, which is much simpler than you might think. Interestingly, very few people are discussing this strategy right now, giving you a unique opportunity to capitalize on it. Step 5. The website we're talking about is called 7r6.com. It's pretty straightforward. All you've got to do is sign up for a free account on their platform. Once you're in, you can start shortening links from different YouTube videos. I'll guide you through the process in just a moment. And here's the kicker. Every time you shorten a video link, you earn some free PayPal cash. Let me break it down for you with an example. Say you're watching a YouTube video. Underneath it, you'll spot a share button. Click on that and you'll get the link for that video. Copy that link, head back to 7r6.com and paste it into the provided box. Hit the button and voila, the website will give you a new, shorter link. Every time someone clicks on this link, you make some cash. It's how plenty of folks are raking in the dough on 7r6.com. Once you've built up some earnings, cashing out is a breeze. You can transfer your money straight to your PayPal account or choose from other options like Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, or Payoneer. With such a range of payment choices, getting your hands on your earnings is easy as pie. If you want to make money online and quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe. Step 6. To kick things off, head back to the homepage and locate the Sign Up button situated in the top right corner of the site. Clicking on it will redirect you to a page where you can register for a fresh membership. And guess what? It's completely free and accessible worldwide. Once you're on the registration page, fill in your desired username, email address, and create a password. Don't forget to check the box agreeing to the terms of use and privacy policy. After completing the form, hit the register button to finalize your new account. Upon logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the button positioned at the top left corner, labeled New Shortened Link, and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to copy and paste your YouTube URL links, shorten them, and start earning free PayPal money in no time. Step 7. Here's what I need you to do next. Head back to your YouTube video and locate the share button. Click on it and copy the URL link. Then, return to your dashboard and paste the link into the designated box. In the alias field, type in the title of the video, such as Minecraft. After that, simply hit the shortened button and voila, you've just created your shortened link for the Minecraft video. Now go back to YouTube and repeat this process for up to 3 different videos. The more YouTube video links you copy and shorten, the more free PayPal money you'll earn. Focus specifically on this category of videos as it's a surefire way to maximize your earnings and rake in loads of free PayPal cash. Step 8. Let's keep moving forward with our strategy. Click on the next video in line and you'll find yourself in another captivating live streaming session. Once there, use the share button to grab the URL of the video. Then, head back to your URL shortening page, paste the link, and customize it by labeling it Minecraft 2 in the alias box. Click Shorten, and you've successfully created your second shortened link. Here's a gentle reminder to keep my advice in mind. Consistency is key. To truly capitalize on the potential for significant earnings, it's imperative to faithfully replicate this process. Continuously seek out trending YouTube videos, capture their URLs, and employ the 7r6.com platform. Step 9. All right, on to the next point. Head over to steamcommunity.com, a bustling hub for gamers worldwide. Here, gamers discuss strategies, tips, and tricks for a wide array of games. Currently, there's a lot of chatter around Minecraft, indicating its significant popularity. With millions of daily views, Minecraft presents a golden opportunity to ride the wave and potentially earn substantial income using platforms like 7r6.com to monetize YouTube videos. So, let's explore this avenue further and uncover its full potential. Here's what you can do. Start by registering for a free account on Steam Community, a bustling hub where gamers gather to discuss their favorite games. Once you've signed up, create engaging posts about popular games like Minecraft or any other trending titles you're passionate about. Within these posts include shortened links from 7r6.com, directing fellow gamers to YouTube videos related to the games you're discussing. As your posts gain traction, you'll start to see a steady stream of clicks from eager gamers curious to check out the content you've shared. With each click on your shortened link, you'll earn free PayPal money, adding up with every view. It's a simple yet effective way to monetize your gaming interest and potentially earn a substantial income. And for those of you still following along, here's an exclusive secret tip. that will significantly boost your earnings, putting you ahead of the pack. Unveiling Moot.us, an exclusive forum where gamers gather to discuss Minecraft and other gaming trends. This platform hosts a vibrant community filled with user-generated content like gameplay videos, attracting hundreds and even thousands of views per video. This presents an incredible opportunity to earn free PayPal money simply by sharing video links, especially those of live streams. By tapping into the vast audience on Moot.us, you could potentially earn significant income with minimal effort. It's a game changer for anyone seeking to make money effortlessly in the digital age. I'm excited to share with you a valuable resource that can significantly boost your earnings. It's a fully customizable template designed to maximize your income potential. By leveraging this template, you can effortlessly promote your shortened links on platforms like Steam Community or the Moot.us forum, attracting a flood of clicks and substantially increasing your earnings. Let me dive deeper into how this template can work wonders for you. Have you had a chance to check out the incredible Minecraft gameplay showcased in this video? It's absolutely captivating. You can experience the excitement of the live stream right here. This is where you'll insert your shortened link from 7r6.com. Just head back to your 7r6 dashboard, grab the shortened link, and seamlessly integrate it into our template. Once you've done that, simply replicate the entire template and share it across both platforms. The best part, it won't require much effort on your part. Given the immense popularity of gaming-related content like this, your posts are bound to attract a substantial amount of attention, leading to significant earnings through PayPal. There's a genius way to pocket an easy $5,000 just by copying and pasting on Google. Watch this video next to discover how.